on both sides of us.
The Johannesburg Holocaust and Genocide Center documents some of the most atrocious events in world history. That includes the Holocaust and the Rwandan genocide. This place is a reminder about the pain humans inflicted on one another. And inside this center of memory and learning is an object belonging to the man who orchestrated the Holocaust, a man responsible for millions of deaths.
This typewriter tells another story. It tells a story of a perpetrator, not a victim. And we need to tell all those stories to be used for education about propaganda, about the dangers of extremist ideology.
Up to now, the typewriter had been in the hands of Absa Bank. But how did it end up in South Africa in the first place?
He was friendly with a man, Joseph Metzner, from childhood in the little town where they grew up. Joseph Metzner bought it from him, immigrated to South Africa in 1936, and left the typewriter for his daughter, that then worked in Volkskas Bank, that later on became part of the Absa, four branches that became, or four banks that became Absa Bank.
The typewriter has only been at the center for just over a week, but reactions are coming in fast.
Some are disturbed, because it's a perpetrator. Others see the potential of actually using it as an educational tool.
The typewriter may have been an instrument in the hands of a monster, but it can also be an instrument of knowledge, something to remind us of things that should never happen again. Zikhona Tshona in Johannesburg.